Hello! Today we'll be learning how to create a member of the committee from an account. To begin, we need to open the file with the program node. Now let's start our node in demonization. Next, run the program CLI wallet with extra parameters. At this time, we'll create a password for the wallet. Unblock the wallet and we'll be sent into our account. Here, we'll import our account. Now that we've done this, we have a lifetime membership for this account. From this account, we'll be creating a member of the committee. Execute the following command. An example is in the video description. If you've already connected a delegate node, you can skip the password setting steps for the wallet, import the account, and purchase a lifetime membership. Now, close the CLI wallet using the keyboard shortcut Control-C. Now your account is a candidate to be a member of the committee. All that's left to do is to convince people to vote for you. And on that note, we're finished for today. All the links are included in the description. Until next time.